Good morning, students. So we will begin within 5 minutes. Let others join in as well. All right, students. So I hope you're all fine. Thank you, Vishaka. I'm also fine. So any doubts about your assignment or your exam? I think I already told you that essay is going to be a compulsory question, right? So just a tip from my side that practice writing any essay once. Just take out half an hour, so that you can time कि आपको like just get to know कि कितना time लग रहा है. Also, it's a good idea to just go through that practice run. All right. Yes, बच्चे आपके internals का I think आपने have you read that message about your exam instructions? So I guess उसमें mentioned है 21st was it? Right, so soon we'll have a plan in place about when they will be conducted, but you know the deadline, right? So anytime before that, probably a week before that, जो उससे preceding week होगा ना उसी में आपके हो जाएंगे. All right, so nothing to worry about. I already told you what to expect. Okay, let me tell you थोड़ा सा before we begin what to expect in your internal examination as well as the external practical examination for English. Right? बेटा अभी प्रपोज डेट शीट नहीं आई है. आई थिंक आपको बस हमें थोड़ा सी टाइमलाइन जरूर आ गई है कि कब से स्टार्ट होंगे या कब तक हमने अपने इंटरनल्स फिनिश करने हैं, राइट? अगेन भोपाली, आई एम सॉरी, नो आइडिया. Probably online, but yet it could be offline also, right? So Vishaka, for that refer to that notice that we put in the group. I think 21st से पहले we are supposed to complete your internals. Let me just check it. I think since they have mentioned the practical examination to be scheduled from 21st before theory exam, so they are referring to the external examination, right? So आपके internals 21st से पहले हो जाएंगे, right? And see, theory exams would follow soon after your let's say the क्या कहते हैं the practicals. However, that is totally dependent on what kind of date sheet you get, right? Since for the diploma students there was a gap of about a week or even more. उनके तो आजकल एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं, एंड दे आर आल्सो गेटिंग, मतलब बीच में दो या तीन छुट्टियां भी हैं, राइट? सो फॉर यू आल्सो इट विल फॉलो सून आफ्टर, बट आई वुड से दैट यस, स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग, ठीक है? अपना सारा एक बार चेक हाउ मच सिलेबस इज कवर्ड, चेक अबाउट योर असाइनमेंट्स, राइट? जस्ट ट्राई टू वाइंड अप थिंग्स, अपना साथ के साथ रिविजन स्टार्ट कर दो, whatever is left in addition to whatever we are covering in the MST. All right, so that abhi aaj 5th hai, so you have good at least 2 weeks तो आपके पास है ही है to wind up everything, right? So till then आपकी date sheet भी आ ही जाएगी one of these days. So don't worry about ज़्यादा syllabus तो नहीं है इस बार. I hope you're not feeling stressed out after this notice. Yes, Tamanna, I'll come to that. So first of all, tell me, are you all okay with this idea? मतलब with the notice being shared today, right? कुछ एकदम से ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा कि the exams are right overhead and you are not prepared. Okay, so बहुत ज़्यादा syllabus है. So a good idea. Why don't you make a plan, right? Just make a plan, rough plan on your own for each subject, and आप gradually रोज का रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा cover करना start कर दो. अरे इसमें कोई ऐसा, you don't need to be scared. See, you still have time. That is the good part, right? So even if, let's go by this fact that your exams, let's say, are supposed to start in July end. Let's say maybe it's 5th today, right? Let's say around 28th or so, 29th or so, right? तो आपके पास बहुत time है. Oh, that is true, Satyam. I agree with you. We even did not get to know कि semester कहाँ निकल गया, right? So अभी आप plan बनाओ, ठीक है? Just think of it that you still have time, you have an edge, right? So just make a plan, just go through all the syllabus, all the subjects, कहाँ पे क्या topic रहता है, which one is more time consuming. Start with that, right? Just take out 2-3 hours every day. Complete your assignments if there are any pending, right? Any practical files which need to be completed, do that. So that don't panic कि last minute पे सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा. आपके पास ample time है. I am sure syllabus तो mostly सारे almost towards the end ही होंगे, खत्म होने वाले होंगे. All right. So if you have any other concerns, you are most welcome to voice them out. You can unmute your mic or you can share them here in the chat, right? So talking about the practical examination now. Vishal, I can't really say. However, yes, universities have been allowed to open for those who have already had one shot of the vaccine, right? Colleges, abhi मेरे को लगता है, since it is going to be a very gradual process, right? So as per my understanding, ठीक है? Now my understanding might be very different from what the government thinks. So probably maybe August, right? They will just monitor the situation. तो क्या पता तब खोल दें. Yes, there is always a probability and possibility, right? So going by the case load, जैसे अभी decline कर रहे हैं, so maybe they'll open. We can't really say. This is why I would say be prepared for the examination to be online or offline, both way, right? I agree, this is human tendency that you might be, just a bit relaxed. Why? Because अभी आपके MST open book mode में हो रहे हैं. So that is a very different game from when you are appearing for the exam offline, right? But I would say just be prepared for both the possibilities. ऐसा ना हो कि you are just caught unaware कि आपका offline exam हो रहा है और आपको लगा कि you are not well prepared, right? So make sure you are prepared both way, whether online or offline, and that you are able to do well in whichever mode the exam occurs, right? So now let me briefly tell you about the English practical examination. See, I'm going to take into account your complete performance throughout the semester, right? So I do remember the students who have been very responsive, who have participated. And yes, I have a list of students who have made the PPT as well. So just a suggestion for the leftover students, make sure you are able to complete it by the next Tuesday, right? तब तक आपके exams भी खत्म हो जाएंगे, so that I have something to mark your internal assessment on. I have something with me, right? And otherwise, what questions you might get? Questions would be very simple. Let's say introduce yourself, right? Something about how can you deliver a good PPT, right? I had shared that file with you. If you don't have, I'll share all the files once again in the group, right? फिर आप सारी इकट्ठी सेव कर लेना अगर आपकी कोई पिछली पेंडिंग भी होगी, ठीक है जी? Or very general questions. See, we just need to check your skill, your spoken skills, also how comfortable you are conversing in English, right? So nothing in particular would be asked. कुछ ऐसे typical सा नहीं होगा, ठीक है बच्चे? Something about conversation, you know, maybe how to have a telephone conversation. I might pretend to be one caller and you might be asked to be the caller at the receiver at the other end. So it's very simple, which you can manage on the spot. I know that about you. So आपको उसके लिए कोई स्पेशल तैयारी नहीं करनी है, उसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल नहीं पढ़ना, ठीक है? I'll go through your syllabus once again and I'll try to brainstorm about what possible questions can be asked. And in the next class that we meet on Tuesday, I will share that with you, right? So it can be kind of a mock practical for you next Tuesday. All right, everyone? So are you okay with that idea? Okay, I'm trying to locate your. So see, if I talk about, let me just share the screen here. No, but it won't be an internal practical. That depends on what your date sheet would be. I'm just saying it will be a mock practical. I'll give you just a very brief demo about the questions you might get asked, right? Just a list of questions you might get asked. Internal practical kab hoga? Soon you will have info about that as well. Don't worry. See, so you have self-introduction, group discussion, role play, right? Common everyday situations, conversations and dialogues, listening comprehension, communication at workplace, interviews and formal presentations. So if you remember, we have done mock interviews, right, in the class. Then we have had formal presentation, the PPT you were presenting. Then self-introduction, group discussions we have had, numerous group discussions. Then role plays. See, role plays when I ask you to, you know, I give you a particular situation and then you have to coordinate amongst yourselves. We divide the class into groups. That was not possible online, right? So we skipped this one. However, the idea of this activity is also helping you with your conversation skills, so that we have been able to do in other methods. Let's say mock interview, that question and answer round, right? So that is pretty much it. So this is what is going to be there even in the practical. So I might ask you just random interview questions, right? I might ask you to introduce yourself. I might ask you what you are passionate about, your favorite movie, or which was the, let's say, last place you visited, describe that to me. So anything about just spoken English, just to check your spoken English, your confidence, how comfortable you are talking to me, right? So कुछ ऐसे ज्यादा फैंसी नहीं होगा, कुछ इतना टिपिकल नहीं होगा, so इसकी कोई टेंशन नहीं लेनी है. All right, everyone. If you want, this one we can discuss common everyday situations, conversations, and dialogues. Right? This we will discuss next week. So that was it from my side. What about you guys? Anything you want to share, ask? Yes, Ajay, same pattern would be followed even in the external examination as well. Whoever, like, we have get a guideline, right? We get the syllabus as a guideline to prepare questions whenever we are supposed to, take a practical examination. So the same would be shared with the external examiner as well, right? And they are going, that person is going to ask you similar questions. All right. I hope it's okay with you now. No, intro should be for, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes. राइट यू जस्ट हैव टू कवर द बेसिक्स बाकी देखो आपकी मर्जी है कि आपने कितनी लंबी देनी है इंट्रो बट आइडियली शुड बी 2 to 3 minutes ओनली कवरिंग जस्ट द बेसिक इन्फो ऑल राइट yes bacha I will discuss this one you know everyday dialogues and conversations and dialogues rather why don't we do it even right now it's just a very short topic I was planning to take up practice exercises for nouns and pronouns. I am thinking that I should just share that with you and you can attempt it on your own. Right? All right. So I found a very good website about, everyday telephone conversations. So this will, of course, it is quite similar to the conversations you will be having face to face as well. Right. So I'm sharing the screen here. So even, and I'll share the link as well so that later on also you can refer to the same. Right. So we all know that whenever, if you're receiving a call, you can say, could I ask who's calling, please? Right. Or you say, how may I help you? Depending on whether, at what position you are, right? At what kind of call you are attending. ठीक है जी? Maybe you are in the office and you get someone to call you. Then do you mind waiting a few minutes? This is if you want to ask them to wait. Then these are also etiquettes that whenever you are, about to hang up, you say thanks for calling, right? Then if you are the one making a call and you want to ask something, you want certain information or you want to leave a message for someone, this is how we can say, I'm calling to clarify. I would like to leave him or her, whoever, a message, or when is a good time to call, right? Then if you are taking a call, this is how we greet. ठीक है, hello, good morning. ठीक है, I am, this is Praneet speaking. Yeah, this is, let's say, whoever speaking. Then how may I help you? Right? At times you have heard कि जैसे आप Domino's call करते हो, ठीक है? Directly what do you say? Good evening, Domino's. How may I help you? Right? उसके बाद this is how you introduce yourself. This is me from whatever company you are calling from. Right? फिर आप ऐसे ही उसको कॉन्वर्सेशन को और another way of saying is hi it's this from this person like this company right then may I please speak to Mr. Smith देखो बेटा इधर ना क्या चीज पता ध्यान रखने वाली क्या होती है, मे आई स्पीक टू, सो यू मस्ट बी क्लियर विद द फ्रेज दैट यू आर सपोज टू यूज, राइट। कई बार क्या होता है हम यही वाली मिस्टेक, ग्रामर मिस्टेक छोटी छोटी कर देते हैं, राइट। और आई वुड लाइक टू स्पीक टू, आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू, राइट। Then I'm calling to ask about your this current this position. I just wanted to ask if you need any more articles for कुछ भी जो भी आपने पूछना हो. Could you tell me the address? So this is about, you know, just making small talks, casual conversation. So hi, how are you? Right? How are you getting on with? Let's say कि आपने कुछ उनको पूछना, कुछ उनका प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, something like that. So you can ask how are you getting on with preparations to change office buildings next month, right? Then in case you want to say that somebody is unavailable, right? So I'm sorry, she is not here. May I take a message or can I take a message? Or you can say I'm afraid she is not available at the moment. So see, ये I am afraid ना इधर literal meaning नहीं है I am afraid वाला. This is to tell, just to convey something other than what the other person was expecting. Now the other person was expecting to talk to this person, right? Now if this person is not available and you want to convey the same, हम ये वाला phrase use कर देते हैं I am afraid. ठीक है. So remember यहाँ पे ये literal meaning नहीं है afraid being, you know, scared वाला. This is just to say कि just to convey the opposite of what the other person was expecting. All right. Then could I ask who's calling, please? I'll give him her your message as soon as she gets back. Right. So if you are the one leaving a message, you can say, could you please take a message? Please tell her whatever. Okay. I would like to leave him a message. Please let him know, let her know. Right. If you want to ask it, kya acha time, what is a good time to call? When is a good time to call? When is she going to be back? Right. Then if you are asking for information, may I have your mobile number, please? Could I ask what company you are with? Or may I know what company you are working with, right? Then कई बार आपको होता है कि name समझ नहीं आता, right? So then you can say, can you spell that for me? How do you spell that, please? Let me see if I got that right. And इसके बाद आप same वो repeat कर सकते हैं. Then if you know at times when you're unable to hear someone, what do you say? You can say, could you please repeat that? Or you say, pardon, I didn't get that. ठीक है. फिर जैसे would you mind speaking up a bit? I can't hear you very well. So speaking up a bit जब हम जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं ना थोड़ा ऊंची बोलना, आवाज नहीं आ रही. So for that, speaking up a bit. I am sorry, I did not catch your first name, right? So if you are making arrangement, let's say to meet at a particular time, what do you say? How about the following week? Following week is next week. How would the week of January 18 work for you, or shall we say January 20th? Right? If you're fixing a particular date to, let's say, have a meeting or some other work, right? Then if you're asking for suggestions, what would you suggest? Do you have a time, place in mind? Right? Similarly, making requests, you would say, can you send me an email with the detailed offer? Do you mind sending me the report again? Right? And then I'll ask him to call you as soon as he gets back. I'll send you the report as soon as possible. फिर इधर भी देखो यही वाला same phrase use किया जा रहा है. I'm afraid I cannot give you that information. Right? When you want to say that whatever the other person has asked for, you are not allowed to do that. That sorry, but I'm not allowed to give details about that. Then how do we end the call? Thank you very much for your help. In case you were the one who had called to ask, right? Thanks for calling. ये usually आपको आगे से answer मिलता है when you are the one calling, right? So the other person always says thanks for calling before they hang up. Then thank you for your time. So बच्चे इसमें से ना क्या activity हो सकती है? Let's say I ask you to be one person, ठीक है? और I ask two of you to have a telephone conversation. ठीक है? For example, I say that Manav is working at let's say hotel reception, right? And let's say Yuvika is a tourist who is making a call to inquire something. ठीक है? तो मैं आपको ये वाली प्रैक्टिकल में एक्टिविटी दे सकती हूँ कि आप एक कॉन्वर्सेशन करो मानव एंड युविका. मानव का ये रोल होगा, युविका का ये रोल होगा. ठीक है जी? So using these phrases, you can have a conversation, right? I hope that will be easy, not too difficult. Yes, bache, what do you say? Is that manageable, right? सी इसमें अब देखो आपको कोई प्रिपरेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? यू जस्ट हैव टू गो ऑन द स्पॉट, यू कैन स्पीक इट ऑन द स्पॉट विदाउट एनी प्रिपरेशन, यू जस्ट हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। तो आपको कॉन्वर्सेशन तो पता ही है, अगर आप होटल में आप कॉल करें इंक्वायरी के लिए, व्हाट पॉसिबली यू कैन आस्क, यू कैन मे बी आस्क अबाउट द रूम अवेलेबिलिटी, you can ask about the amenities, you can ask about the tariff, you can ask about if they have any special packages for groups, right? These kinds of questions. Similarly, let's say you are asking about visiting a particular place, so you can ask what are their operational hours, at what time do they open, what time do they close, what all is available there, right? मे बी जैसे आजकल आप फिर कोविड का भी पूछ सकते हो कि एनीथिंग वी नीड टू कीप इन माइंड, इज अ कोविड नेगेटिव टेस्ट रिपोर्ट रिक्वायर्ड, so on and so forth. See, I have seen you guys in the past few weeks, so I know you are capable of doing that. So iske apne you don't have to worry about this one, right? So I hope nobody is worried at least about the English practical examination. So all of you will be able to ace it, manage it well. Yes or no? Okay, very few yes answers. I need more. All right. Wonderful. See, secondly, let me tell you, since you know we have a good strength, so we try to get try to wind up the practical in a good amount of time possible, ठीक है? तो हम ऐसे भी नहीं करते कि ज्यादा स्ट्रेच करें, एंड ऐसे भी नहीं होगा कि बहुत ही ब्रीफ होगा, राइट? सो इट विल बी अ वेरी वैलिड टाइम, लेट्स से 2 to 3 minutes per student, so on and so forth, right? Because we are able to tell within the first minute where you stand. ठीक है, तो इतने इसका टेंशन मत लेना है, you don't need to prepare anything in specific, right? Whatever we have been doing in the class, almost similar things will be there, right? So whether it was the PPT or the group discussions, remember all those things help you with your language skills, right? So anything else you might want to ask, any doubt that you have? So in the meantime, we can just, I had found a few practice exercises for nouns and pronouns, so we can go through those, right? So I hope the screen is visible to all. So we have 10 minutes to go. I don't want to waste time. I would rather, you know, let's just take a look at a few practice exercises. These are very simple ones. So get ready to reply in the chat, or you can also reply verbally by unmuting your mic. So yes, tell me what would be the answer for the first question? So Mr. Van, yes, Miss Cutler are selling their stock in the construction company, right? So that is correct. Since two people are being talked about, so it would be the pronoun, plural pronoun would be used, which is there. I'll just keep the chat open, right? Neither my mother nor yours would give us dash permission to go cross country on a motorcycle. Wonderful, Abhishek, Prashant, yes, Vishal. So neither my mother nor yours would give us her permission, right? अब her क्यों use हो रहा है? Because of this word neither, right? Which is a trick singular, क्योंकि हैं चाहे दो लोग इधर, but this one always comes with a singular pronoun or a verb, right? So Jane Roberts is my friend and mentor. Dash answers all my questions. So it's Jane Roberts is my friend and mentor. Right? So she answers all my questions. ठीक है जी? And it is quite clear from the name कि Jane Roberts एक girl ही होगी, and moreover the suggestion ही एक girl का है, right? Then I wrote the letter dash. Yes, wonderful. I need more answers. Wonderful. Yes. Very good. Atul, Ajayjeet, Pradeep, Tamanna, Vishakha. Yes. So it would be I wrote the letter myself, right? Because who wrote the letter? I. So इधर से clear ही हो गया कि I wrote the letter myself ही हो सकता है, right? Then further, When I came into the apartment, Sal was singing, I am going to sit right down and write dash a letter. So yes, very careful here. This is a song that somebody is singing. So इधर क्या आएगा? I am going to sit right down and write dash a letter. So very careful about the options here, right? हर एक option को fit करके देखो कि whether the sentence is sounding correct or not. No बेटा, I think you need to rethink. अपना वाला ऑप्शन लगा के पूरा सेंटेंस रीड करके देखो, इज इट साउंडिंग करेक्ट? यस, वेरी गुड. सो इट वुड बी माई सेल्फ. नाउ व्हाई इट वुड बी माई सेल्फ? अब आपको लगेगा कि ये तो बहुत फनी हो गया ना कि आई एम गोइंग टू सिट राइट डाउन एंड राइट माई सेल्फ अ लेटर. However, just take a look. I write herself a letter. No, it doesn't make sense. Write yourself a letter. No, right? अगर her होता तो I am going to write her a letter. I am going to write you a letter. ठीक है? तो इन तीनों ऑप्शंस में से सिर्फ माई सेल्फ ही करेक्ट है. तो चाहे आपको लगेगा ये तो सेंस क्या बनी कि राइट माई सेल्फ अ लेटर, राइट? बट दिस इज द वन विच इज एप्लीकेबल. डोंट वरी कि उसकी क्या सेंस क्या बन रही है फैक्चुअली, राइट? ग्रामेटिकली दिस वन इज करेक्ट. ऑल राइट बच्चे, सो आई होप दिस वन इज क्लियर. इसमें ज्यादा आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं हो रही है. All right, so now we move to this one here. So Matthew hopes that someone will give Dash a Lego set for his birthday. Yes, wonderful. So something went wrong with this website. Anyway, I have another one here. So when John and Joe, so these two options are there, slipped on the step, he fell. So which option, A or option B? Yes, wonderful. So it would be when John slipped on the step, he fell, right? The Dash believed their diagnosis of a fracture was correct. So Dash believed their diagnosis of a fracture. Yes, okay. So we'll go with doctors, right? The Dash are eating their dinner now. Again, are eating will give away the answer. So yes, it would be option B. The cups are sitting dash saucers in dash saucers. All right, wonderful. We'll go with there. After they saw the show, Dash went out to dinner. Yes, Vishakha, Amandeep, wonderful. So they went out to dinner. Joe did not think Dash should have to retake the test. All right, let's go with option A. Sarah and Jane rode Dash bicycles at 2 today. All right, so as per your answers, I'm going with the option A. The peony bushes have lost dash petals. All right, wonderful. Dash should always try to be helpful to his or her classmates. Wonderful. So out of these two, make regular contributions to their church. All right, so I'm going with option B as you say, right? So now let's check our answers and you have got full marks. Wonderful. So those of you who replied in the chat, I'm certain that you have understood this one, this topic, right? So even for others who did not reply, I hope आपने बेटा अपने end पे you must have attempted it. right? And you can just check whether how many were correct and how many were wrong, जो भी आप अपने mind में आंसर सोच रहे थे, right? So since the doctor went to medical school, dash should know what treatment you need. तो इधर वेरी ध्यान से, ठीक है, हमने नाउन को देखना है कि कैसा है. Yes, Tamanna, I'll share the link of this site as well as the site from which I read those phrases. All right. So wonderful. You guys are clear with it. She should know what treatment you need, right? If anyone has an opinion about capital punishment, dash should state it. अच्छा बेटा, इधर आई वांट टू क्लियर वन थिंग. पहले हम ये अटेम्प्ट कर लेते हैं. rather okay, we are less on time, so I want to clear one thing. See, अब ना इधर what I realized the other day also, no doubt मैंने आपको कई जगह पे दे करवाया है, but actually there is this difference between American and British English, right? So कई बार क्या होता है अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में, क्या अभी लेटेस्ट क्या आया है कि दे से कि जब ऐसे if anyone has an opinion about capital punishment, तो यहाँ पे हमने common pronoun यूज करना है they. However, in British English we are still following the singular one, only he or she. जैसे आई डिड टेल यू ना कि अगर अपने रैंडमली चूज करना हो तो ही लिखना. थोड़ा सा वो कह रहे हैं कि ज्यादा मेल वो हो रहा है, फीमेल्स आर नॉट बीइंग रिप्रेजेंटेड. अगर आप शी कह रहे हो तो वो उसको भी गलत बोल रहे हैं. हाउ एवर इन योर एकेडेमिक्स अभी यही वाला चीज फॉलो हो रहा है कि आपने ही या शी ही करना है, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. दे वाला कॉन्सेप्ट अभी इधर ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा. नो डाउट इन अमेरिका दे हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट दैट वे. So they is not completely wrong. However, in India, we are going by the old method only of using he and she, right? So in this case also, out of these two, you will pick she. Here also, out of these two, you will pick he, right? So because the members of the chemistry class did poorly on the exam, this is easy. They had to take a makeup exam, right? So Abhi, I'm not sure we'll be able to complete this. So I'll share the link of this website as well. Attempt this on your own and check your result, right? Since we have less than a minute to go, the class might end anytime. So I'll share all the relevant links with you, right? And in case you have any issues, any doubts, आप मेरे को चाहे मैसेज कर देना. Otherwise, whenever we are meeting next, we can take